Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the very first questions which arises in your mind is, why should you watch these interviews? You should watch these interviews if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest, if you want to know the merits and demerits of a particular startup. We provide you some excellent experiences from which you can learn, and that too free of cost. For today's interview, we have Mr. Ashutosh Kar, who is the founder and CEO of Edwins LLP. He is the chartered accountant, certified public accountant from USA with PhD in commerce, having a decade year of experience in the field of finance, accounting, taxation, audit and advisory services. He is awarded as Startup Leader of the Year by Global Business Icon and associated with Biz National TV. Edwins is a one-stop solution offering wide range of products and services related to the field of finance, accounting, taxation, advisory, company registration, IT services, cloud backup service, IT and management support, and many more. Edwins LLP is headquartered in Hyderabad and Telangana. Edwins has got several certifications like ISO, Certification of Recognition from Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, certified as Quality and Business Standard by International Trade Council, that is ITC. Edwins LLP is awarded as India's 500 Best Startups Award 2021 for quality excellence. Indeed, it's a very amazing introduction. So let's know more about the startup and Ashutosh from himself. So good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you.
Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Sure. Hello everyone. Myself Ashutosh Kar. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified public accountant from USA with a PhD in commerce, having a decade years of experience in the field of finance, accounting, taxation, audit and advisory services. I'm the founder and CEO of Edwins LLP. I would like to extend my gratitude to the entire team of Startup Lane for organizing this interview.
Thank you so much, sir. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
See, being from a CA background, I always wanted to start my own practice. However, I didn't want to restrict myself to my core areas like audit, taxes and all. Rather wanted to build a unified platform where an organization can have all products and services to run the business smoothly. So Edwins is not a typical tax consulting or audit firm per se.
Okay.
So it's much bigger than that.
Okay. So the next thing I want to know that what was the most difficult part in the early stages of the journey?
According to me, it's brand awareness in the market. So it takes time to get visible in the market. That's what I felt. And we do assure to our customers that we offer best quality products and services at a reasonable price. But unless we get a visibility in the market, even customers in the initial stage, they should also know that okay, this is the kind of services available in the market. So because of the competition, you can say because of the competition per se too. So sometimes brand awareness, what I felt is the initial difficulty.
Okay.
What is the difficulty we feel in the initial stage of
that? So sir, talking about market, I want to know that what was the market gap that you identified before commencement?
See, you will not find a single platform in India. You will not find any single platform offering all products and services to help the business run smoothly, catering to the clients from small business to Fortune 500. You will have different like there will be companies which will be into fintech, you will be into digital marketing, you will be into accounting, advisory, business solutions, you will be cyber security, you will be into IoT, like that. It's spread across. Of course, companies, what they do, they partner and they build up the business. If they cannot provide a service, they partner with other service providers and they avail the services. But my objective is to build a unified platform wherein all products and services can be availed at one place at a reasonable price, and not only products, backed by services too, business support services. So that is what my actually the idea behind the startup. Even this was a thing which I also, being Advance is a recognized startup by the government of India, DPIT. So this was the thing what I proposed there. So that's the gap what I felt.
Yes, as you mentioned that you provide multiple services. So I want to know that what exactly your business model is.
Our business model is products are sold on subscription basis, basically SaaS model, and prices are quite flexible, ensuring that all business sectors can avail the services. Flexible, as I mentioned, flexible pricing and all, and so that it's not that the only startups can avail us, or it's not like that the only the top companies or Fortune 500 companies can avail our services and all. More all can avail the service. There's not that okay. We also provide bundle of services, individual services. For example, if I say if we do a business registration for a company, like company registration, we offer not on the company registration, we provide a bundle of services. Like we provide along with company registration, MS certifications, startup registrations. We also provide our accounting software to use. So like that, we provide a bundle services. Just one example, I'm saying. Yeah. So we provide individual services and a bundle of services, but all are subscription based.
Okay. So answering my earlier question, you have mentioned your products and services, but still I want you to specify the products and services you provide to your customers.
Certainly. We offer a wide range of services in the field of finance, accounting, audit, taxation, advisory, cloud services, IT services.
Okay.
And our wide range of products includes online accounting software, which is completely cloud-based. We provide cloud backup as a service, which includes cyber protection, disaster recovery, etc. It's not just a normal cloud backup. We also have ransom protections too. Okay. Lead generation suite. We also have our own e-learning platforms. And right now we are also venturing into a IT division wherein we will develop apps for all kind of businesses and all. So we are building and probably we'll be launching our IT division mostly by end of July or first week of August. And we will be targeting all kind of apps, and I can assure that many are not in the business of developing apps relating to cryptocurrency trading platform. So that also we are working on it. So that's one unique thing which I don't see much in the market on that. That's in the particular field. So that also we're doing apart from regular apps like food delivery apps, online teaching apps. These are now become very common now.
Yes.
Along with that, we also provide other high-end apps to like cryptocurrency trading platforms. You can say all in all, any kind of apps, customer needs, we can deliver it. That's how it is.
So talking about targets and customers, the next thing I want to know that who exactly your target customers are.
Honestly speaking, as I mentioned earlier, we are open to all sectors of business. But having said that, we are targeting basically the startups to enable them to scale up in their business. So that we also grow and they also grow with us. So we are targeting basically the startups and we want them to provide services, products and services at a reasonable price. The startups are those who can get the benefit out of it, more benefit out of it.
Yeah.
Because obviously in the initial stage they also have fund crunch, all the stuff. And having said that, we are also offering our online accounting software free of cost for 1 year, and just because of this pandemic. So that offer ends in July 31st. But we got a huge response from client, and considering that response, we are thinking of extending that offer till 31st August. So till 31st August, if somebody purchases our online accounting software, the high-end software, I mean, it is the maximum, including all benefits, the premium subscription, he can get it free for the whole 1 year, provided the purchase is like that.
That's
the thing.
So, as per my knowledge, you have an established market out there. So the next thing I want to know that, as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over your competitors?
See, our strength lies not only in our execution ability, accessibility and approachability to our clients, but also our competent pricing structure, which provide values for our customers. We just don't see that we are a strong believer of of good services at a reasonable price, not a low price, at a reasonable price.
Yeah.
So that it should not be like there is a common connotation that if something is expensive, then it is good. If it's cheap, it's cheap. Like that's a general one normal thought process behind people, kind of understanding. So we don't want to break that. It's not like that. We will offer you high quality services at a reasonable price. That's our goal and mission, if I may say that.
Yeah, fair enough. So moving forward in the similar direction, what are the 2 to 3 unique features about your company that differs you from others?
We have our product and scalable products, competent pricing structure, free add-ons. What we provide, I've given one example of that accounting software. We do provide several free add-ons too. A lot of with business registrations or with somebody going for cloud backup services, we provide 30 days free trial. Sometimes we extend it for 3 months too. Like 90 days, you can try our cloud backup. If you're happy, you can be on board as a customer. So like a lot of free add-ons we provide. So that's the thing.
Okay. So till now we have talked about your customers, we have talked about the products and services that you provide. Moving forward, I want to ask that if there is someone out there for job seeking, so why he or she should choose to work with you?
See, not only they will get a good platform to showcase their talent, but also will groom them to become future leaders. That I can assure you. Since I have 10 years of experience, and our team is quite good enough to groom new talent and make them future leaders. That I can definitely assure. And the independence to work, to put across their thoughts. Definitely, it will be hard. It doesn't matter an employee with 6 months experience or 10 years experience or 12 years experience. So we will hear everybody, and definitely will give a thought to everyone's idea. That's what we feel we do for an employee working with us.
Okay. The next question is very interesting. I want to ask that if not this company, what else you would be doing right now?
I'll be very honest. I don't see myself anywhere else.
Okay.
This is what I have been doing. I can say that may not be today or tomorrow, but definitely I would have. It's just a matter of time, probably. But definitely the time, I would say, when I was studying, when I was pursuing my CA, at that point of time itself, I wanted to have my own business. This is what I have been, you can say, dreaming of. So this is what I have been doing.
Okay. Okay, great. So right now, are you looking for vendors to simplify any part of your business?
Right now, there is no such requirement per se, but moving forward, probably we may need it since we are expanding and we are rapidly expanding. I can definitely assure that, and I can what I can say that I can definitely straightforward. I can be straightforward on that and put across that if we are expanding. Probably right now we are not looking for, but definitely in near future we will be looking.
Okay. So what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
Recent plan is the one the IT division we are launching, as I already said, probably by the first week of August. So it is going to be a platform with ready-to-go web and app products, specifically designed for internet startups, online businesses, and digital nomads. And as far as long-terms are concerned, would like to develop and add more products and services on our own brand. As I said, our business model is that it should be a one-stop platform. So that's what our main long-term plans are.
Okay. So as you mentioned that you are growing rapidly, so the next thing I want to ask that are you planning to raise external funds, and if not now, then are you planning to do so in near future?
See, as of it's a self-funded startup as of now. However, yes, we are willing and planning to raise funds in the future. Definitely. Right now, it's self-funded, so slowly we move, more we grow, and we are thinking of it, and we are planning on that as well. That's the pipeline.
Okay. So the next thing I would love to hear is the feedback on Startup Lanes. And also, if you want to thank someone from your team or friends and family, you can do so.
Sure. I would first of all, I would really appreciate the initiatives taken by Startup Lane in providing platforms to showcase the vision of entrepreneurs, and not only that, also mentoring entrepreneurs in their entrepreneurial journey. Because I know that they do. So that's one of the wonderful thing what Startup Lane does. And I am a regular follower of whatever they share in the social media platforms. So I really appreciate that, the Startup Lane. So I really appreciate. And apart from that, I would like to thank my co-founder, Upali Aparajita, who is my wife. She has been a great support all throughout the journey and motivating me to achieve the goals. I would also like to thank my father, who just passed away 2 months back, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Kar, and my mother, Sasmita Kar, for the blessings, which helped me to overcome all challenges and all. So probably if my father would have been for a longer time, he would have seen, but unfortunately I lost him 2 months back. And last but not the least, my entire Advins team, who are the backbone of Advins. So without them, we are nothing. So thanks a lot to all my team members.
Sir, also thanks to you. Thank you for your time and crucial words. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.